In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert hours to minutes in Excel. Open Excel on your computer. Then make sure your sample workbook is already open so you can follow along directly in the sheet. Start by converting decimal hours into minutes. Click cell D1, which is the empty cell just to the right of the hours H:M header. In that cell, type minutes from decimal, then press enter. This creates a clear label for the new results column. Now click cell D2. Type the formula equals B2 times 60, then press enter. You should see 150 appear in the cell. This worked because decimal hours are stored as regular numbers, and multiplying by 60 converts hours into minutes. Click D2 again so the cell is selected. Move to the small green square at the bottom right corner of the cell, then double-click it. Excel fills the same formula down through D6, so the rest of the decimal hour values are converted automatically. Next, convert the time values written in hour and minute format. Click cell E1. Type minutes from H:M, then press enter. This adds a header for the second conversion column. Click cell E2. Type equals C2 times 1440, then press enter. The result may look incorrect at first. Excel will probably display it as a time value, something like 12 a.m., because the cell is still using a time-related format. Click E2 again to reselect it. Go to the Home tab, and in the number group, open the number format dropdown. It may currently say custom or time. Choose number. Once you do that, E2 should display 150.00, which is the minute total. With E2 still selected, double-click the small green square at the bottom right corner of the cell. That copies the formula down through E6. Now confirm that cells E2 through E6 show the same minute totals as column D. That happens because 2.5 hours and 2:30 represent the same amount of time. Excel stores time values as fractions of a day, and there are 1440 minutes in one day, so multiplying by 1440 minutes in one day. So multiplying by 1440 converts that time into minutes. Press Ctrl+S to save the workbook. Confirm both minute columns remain visible, and check that the values are whole number minute totals, like 150 and 105. If this helped, hit like and subscribe.